I've bought a new cutter because my old one had developed a fault. It's oil fed, so I'm just going to fill it with oil. This is the cutter, tap wheel oil cutter. Can you see that? Yeah. It's all in Japanese. And it's come with this little sort of pipette so that I can fill it more easily with my oil, which I have also bought because I was running out. So let's give this a go. I hope I'm not going to spill it everywhere. Right, that's about it. There it is. And then we'll give it a little test run. Right. Okay. So this is sprung, and the idea is, oh yes, you see that lovely oil that's come out there? Beautiful, very happy with that. Lovely cutter. Okay, so that's not too close to the edge. That's me trying to save material. Better. Just get my brush. Now these pieces are probably going to be too small to actually use, but I'm going to cut them anyway because I want to. This oil, this new cutter's oil is just pouring out of the end, which I guess is what's going to make it a nice cutter, but it's a bit messy on my pattern, but I guess I can live with that.